Hello! Today we're going to look at one specific item that is more for the series of work here, so that when it keeps popping up, it won't seem that odd to you, or you might be wondering what it's doing. And that item is GetItemsAsync. So I'm going to highlight it here. This is in the libraries. In fact, I put it in here. It comes with Windows storage. And what it does is it lets you look into any folder and then even understand whether something is a folder versus a file. So if you look up here, I am bringing iStorage folder source in, which is just I'm bringing in a folder, and I'm going to open it up and I'm going to look at it with GetItemsAsync. And I do one of two things. I check to see if it's a file, and then down here I will check to see if it's a folder. That's it. But the beauty of this is, since this is all happening in a for each statement, it is going to go through every item in that folder, and I can even make it go through the subfolders with that as well. And as a little trick, the way to get to the subfolders, I call this task move content. When I find a folder in this folder, I will go back and actually use a little recursion here. And instead of doing what I want to do with the file, I will just go into the folder and run this task again using the subfolder as the new folder, so I can just keep cascading down into every subfolder below it. So that is all I really wanted to accomplish with this video. Just a little simple way to open up and investigate folders. Thanks. Bye. Hey, if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button to our channel. This would help us out greatly. If you'd like to support us in other ways, our app is available for purchase at digitaltumult.com or the Microsoft Store. See the links below. We appreciate your support. Thanks.